This is pretty simple. This list disk is of the GTP partition style. Let's to resolve this issue. Uh, just press Shift function 10. Just Shift press F10. Then I'll type this part. Yes, this part. Yes, list disk. I install my Windows disk 0 is my SSD 256 GB. Select disk 0. Now I clean this here and cleaning. Convert this GTP to MBR. Convert MBR. Successfully converted. Okay, now I go back my Windows installing, close that, and press back, 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 uh, and go forward. I don't have any product key, and forward professional, understand professional. Click checkbox, next. Yes, I got it. This is my device. The two option next and new. I will partition this drive new apply. Okay, this is partition 2 1 2. This is my SSD 2 to 3.5 GB. Click next. Okay, thank you guys.